Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord is ingani zesithembu. Hey, I know Shem, like things are happening with ingani zesithembu and I am going to break it down. Let us start by Umpumelelo noMusa Mseleko. First and foremost, I feel ukuthi Umpumelelo is the most disrespectful child ever. Like Umpumelelo no Siyacela same WhatsApp group. No one can tell me otherwise, right? The only difference ukuthi lo munye uSiyacela wase yeah, so a soft life lo munye uSiyacela vele lo. And you're like, yo guy, like, he doesn't even see. Okay, fine, this is what happened. He took his dad to the gym, right? To encourage his dad to keep on exercising for his dad's health, which was a good thing, because at the end of the day, babu wakhe vele mele exercise so that his health can be okay. Naye apika ugai sharp, no problem. Here's the problem. Now ubabu wakhe sits him down, trying to explain ukuthi I understand ukuthi nihlukene nomama kaMhlophekazi, but you guys need to lungisa for the sake of the children and try and like meet us halfway, ne? But that will not happen. Buza ukuthi why? It's because this boy is so stubborn and he thinks ukuthi when the time comes, the children will come to him and running because of how she took them. It's her kids. How she took them, where were you? Because it's not as if when you are staying with the child. The children were staying no mamwako in the first place if both of them were staying in Mzumbi. That's number one. Number two, when will you, when Esbindi, be able to take care of the children because you are busy ukichimisana number wife number 2 number wife number 3 number 1 number 5, like all that you're doing is just that. But I hate how he did not take his father's advice. Like he doesn't care, like ucabanga le cabangayo, and it needs to end there. So I was just like, I'm not disappointed, that's who he is, but I think ukuthi him deciding to say I want to prove a point to Uvuyokazi nabantwana, that is making him look even more stupid, because it's making him look like an irresponsible father. I think if he could have said to Babake, the reason that he wanted to point to this person is newlywed, so let her simmer in her marriage, and then as when her marriage has simmered, I will then find ways to get into this whole thing and try and talk to her about it. You know, ungathi hey abantwana babasebabadala, hey abantwana, like ureng mshimano. No guys, please go watch Linkutwis. But before you even exit, please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.